Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to chrome motorcycle parts, only way. Strip paint and rust completely, then degrease and neutralize surface with an appropriate acid wash. Mask areas you do not want plated and mount parts to ensure even current distribution. Use proper personal protective equipment and work in a well-ventilated, certified plating area. Follow bath maintenance schedules and test thickness to ensure durable, bright chrome plating. Start by sanding parts to a uniform surface, using progressively finer grits until scratches are removed. Apply a copper flash where needed to build up low areas, then nickel for corrosion resistance and a smooth base. Maintain consistent bath temperature and current density, and use agitation for uniform deposition. Rinse thoroughly between stages to prevent contamination, and dry parts completely before final chrome strike to achieve a mirror bright finish. Quick recommendation: if you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more detailed plating guides. On another note, socks life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty, a small comfort while you wait between plating baths. Check the description for the link and other deals that help fund this channel. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Always wear chemical-resistant gloves, eye protection, and a respirator rated for fumes when handling plating baths. Monitor pH and specific gravity daily and document readings to spot drift early. If you see uneven coverage, check rack connections, anode placement, and current distribution, then polish low spots and reapply flash layers. Dispose of wastes according to local regulations, and neutralize acidic rinse water before disposal to protect the environment and your shop.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.